Oh, where's my scratch? Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Rosanna, Deanna. What was that one? Okay, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Disclaimer, that's what I was looking for. Please read the door while I finish setting up. For what the heck is today's date? Today is 19. 1/19/24. Morning, everybody. It is Friday. Everyone used to look forward to Friday. You know, you're really happy about trading when you look at Fridays and you're kind of sad because your trading is over with and everything quickly. You're looking forward. That's how you know you're trading. I'm sure there's teachers out there like that, but that's the truth. All of a sudden, you go from looking forward to Fridays to forward to your Mondays. You want to relate to that? Because that's the truth. That's what happens with copy. Got to add my tags in. Got to add location in. It reminds me, people are so silly out there. They think like they can track my IP address and all this stuff. And using a VPN, I use VPSs. We use VPNs. I have property in Florida, Alabama, Georgia, and Ohio. Probably soon to be Las Vegas, by the way. Just saying. So if you think you know where I'm from, might want to that one again. Let's see. Where are we? Oh, good. We're up. Yeah. TikTok this morning again. We'll be live on TikTok on Monday. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Ron. Good morning, Kelly. What's up, Annie? Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Good morning, Mr. Steve. Good morning, Kev. Happy Friday. Time for some free money. It is. What's up, Clayton? Good morning, Anthony. Ryan. What's up, Brian? Keith, go get some sleep. The man, myth, the legend is joining us this morning. Greatest coder the world has ever seen. Okay, that I've ever seen. Good morning, Keith Palmer. All of you owe him a huge round of gratitude. Cliffy. Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Fly the Sky Jan. And I think that's everybody. Put my arms around you. What's up, Keith? What you doing? Hopefully sleeping, resting, and relaxing. And I know he's encoding and coding, but I have my wishes so much. All right. Encoding since 3:30. Awesome. Very glad to hear that. And you know, Keith, I do have at least 2 projects right after this one, but that's okay. When you're done, he doesn't want to hear that. But they'll be easy what he's doing. Thank God. I got up early, but not 3:30 early. I was up at 2:30. I said, "Fuck this shit." And I laid in bed no matter what. I laid there, and the next thing I know, it was almost 6:30. So I was happy. You know, me get something in there. It's thought in me, something done. It just keeps at it until you finish. So thank you, Keith, for all you do. We appreciate that greatly. All right. Even though everyone associated with very nice, we are not financial advisors. Please type yes. You're up 440 pips, Jan. Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Yay! Nice. Congratulations. Morning, Dennis. Morning, Paul. Not financial advisors. Some yeses. This comes down. You can pause that always and read it at your leisure. Have fun. I'm going to go ahead and say who has been here the last several days when I've written this out since Monday, I believe. 1 minute, 15 minutes, sorry. I didn't even do the 1 minute yesterday because they were just a mess. 15 minutes, 1 hour buy stop were my favorites. Anyone remember this? Sevens for nines. Any one of you that have been here the last several days? Because I know a lot of you other were thinking I was crazy to say this. How can you say that? Everything's going down, down, down. Because I was looking at higher time frames. Thanks. It was 1 minute. Nice fly to the sky. Join. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Lisa. Good morning, Lisa Norwood. Good morning, Kelly McNeil. Good morning, Rashawn. Good morning, Jorge. So, I guess there's a few of you that remember that I actually said it and wrote out my favorites. Isn't that funny? And we're currently in a buy stop. Harry. Nasdaq made an all-time high. Isn't that great? I wonder, who gives a shit? Who gives two shits? We play what the markets show us. As far as news, I have no open truth. As far as news goes, do an all-time high. By the way, there's such a thing as support and resistance, right? Exactly. Tell me why. Look. Let's just do a quick little lesson on how support and resistance. Fucking moronic. Look. All right. Anything anymore? Put that. Oh, I should have made it one line. Yeah. Okay. That's good. All right. I have to move. We'll leave it there. Good morning, Joe. Thank you, Harry, for letting us know. But according to their logic, look to the left, that's your resistance, right? So what they do is they call that a breakout. And what they're saying by saying breakout is they have no fucking idea why it didn't, quote unquote, follow the resistance line and bounce off and come back down. We know because this is a fill in the gap, right? Look, monthly buy, There's something when you see my charts, you die. Daily, fill in the gap. It's a 4-hour daily buy stop. Some of you before me, you didn't know what a daily was. Some of you didn't even know that there was such a thing as weekly and monthly charts. Isn't that funny to me? I think that's funny. So I'm going to go ahead and say it turned out to be, I think, a 1 hour on some and 4 hour on the others too. 4:34 p.m. Let's see. I don't know what that means. Your voice is in and out, so that sucks ass. Let me see something. Sometimes if I flip it, sometimes I turn it off on the screen. Tony. Good morning, Joe. That's why I wish it was back up, because the sound of TikTok is so much better. So I guess I won't talk about property tax anymore. And email signal numbers. Okay. We won't bring that up. Why? All right. If the sound gets too bad or it's not understandable, please let me know. I'll try to, I guess, unplug from the computer or something. See if that works. Not much. Good morning, Metal Mind. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, D Nice. Raider Trader. Um, 4:34 p.m. Is that Forex time, Jorge? It is. Let me know. Oh, the market on ES Pros. Depending on who your broker, you can actually write into them. What's up, Metal Mind? All right. Well, let's go ahead. I have no trades open in this account. I have, um, well, nothing going on. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Bree is sound asleep. She's in dreamland. Bree will not be waking up for about 3 more hours. Unlike me, Bree sleeps like a baby. She's incredible. Here goes our call outs. And yes, I know fast. I can't help it. If you can't keep up on it, I apologize. But that's life. I'm going to go and say that was a 1 minute ricochet. 1 minute ricochet back to the blind's already done. Maybe not too late. This is 5 minutes. U.S. oil. 1 minute sell stop. U.S. oil. Let's see. We shall see. 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop back again, which was called out earlier this week. To the blue line once, ricochet to the blue line twice. U.S. oil ricochet to the blue line 3 times. I would look for any 1 minute, any 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops for the 1 hour blue line, U.S. oil. Forming. Da, 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 da. Form. 4-hour daily sell. Weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. There's going to do a 4-hour daily sell to the blue line. Good morning, Shash. God bless you too, sir. Yeah, so I told him to contact his broker. Lots of times don't work with you. If you video record your sessions, you have the freeze on your video recording. I guarantee you they're going to help you. Who is this? Amazon. Look at a little Amazon. You go, Amazon. I'm recommending Amazon. I'm just going to say from $90 a share. I think it was like $90 a share. Amazon. Personally own it. Love it. My view on Amazon, if it ever goes to zero, we're all doomed anyways. I mean, nothing here to be doing. That's my view. 1 minute. Forming buy. Amazon. 5 minute buy. 15-minute. A little late, but still a buy. Let's see what's going to do today. Let's see anything. 1 hour. Beautiful 1 hour buy stop. 4 hour. That's it. That's all I can call. Not much. Not really a play on Amazon. Just, I guess watch it. If anything, just do a little buy on it. XRP, baby. XRP's in the house. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. XRP. 5 minute. 15-minute. Sell stop. XRP. 1 hour. 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. XRP. Daily. Da, 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 da. Sell stop to the blue line. Weekly. Oh, sorry. Daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. XRP. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. I see you. I really wish we had a scanner. Oh, me. Woo! I don't know who's been calling it, but I want to go in this. Oh, get out of here, Sue. Look, if you guys can hear this. Bitcoin has been falling, right? The whole entire time. Oh, Bitcoin EFTs are the greatest thing since sliced bread. Bitcoin, the greatest. It's going to go up again, but the only system that I've seen ever that was calling it for to go down the whole entire time the world's saying buy Bitcoin, which I'm not saying not to. I'm just telling you get a better entrance than you do. Look at it. 1 day, 2 day, 4 day, 5 day, 3 on 6 days, 7 days. So for the last 7 trading days ish, I don't know if I miscounted one, it's been going down. What is this? Boom. Well, Kev, you didn't really know. Yep, here it is. There's your 30-minute chart, all bleeding, right? There's your 15-minute chart, all bleeding. Every one of you know what that is. Sell, stop, sell. Da 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 da. Sell, stop, sell, stop. See them all? Don't give me no shit. Oh, the indicators lag. The indicators can't predict with 100% accuracy. They all lag. They're all behind. They never see the future. They only past with accuracy. Blah, blah, blah. You know how many times I fucking heard that? Well, guess fucking what? These indicators see the future with 100% accuracy. Humans screw it up. Buy, stop, buy, stop. Da, 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 da. Good morning, D Nice. Da, 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 da. All right. Ethereum, 1 minute. Perfect, too, by the way. It's perfect. Buy stop. Ethereum, 1 minute buy to the 5-minute blue line. 5-minute buy. Ethereum, 15-minute. Da, da, da. Buy stop, buy stop. 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Ethereum. 4 hour buy. 4 hour daily buy. Weekly sell Ethereum. Monthly buy Ethereum. Bitcoin. Da, 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 da. We've been saying buy on Bitcoin, the current bull rally since May of last year when it was $26,000, $26,500. I can show you when it happened. Buy stop, buy stop. For those of you heart, matter of factly, hold on. I'm going to go back to those videos, Ben. Oh my God, I can't believe you guys forced me to do it. I literally used to draw out back then what Bitcoin was going to do. How many people have you remembered this? Oh my God, I forgot all about that. I'm going to go back and show the drawing. No one knows. Blah, 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 blah. This is your sell stop to the blue line. And now this is the buy you're in. Everyone knows what this is. Let me show you. Okay, that's a bad drawing. Even for me. Watch. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Watch. This is a fill in the gap right here. Okay? This is your sniper. There's nothing more. Look. Daily, weekly, and monthly. So you're looking at it daily, which that would confuse you guys, but it's easy to see the weekly, monthly buy stop. Look right here. All of you that have, even the people who are cheating, right, that don't pay, watch. Green, 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 red, green, green. What is it? When right between our channel, what is this? So let me show you something. So this is monthly Bitcoin. Write it out. This isn't a thing. This isn't a request. I'm telling you to go ahead and write out. Is that a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? What do you see right here? You see green, green, red, green, green, without even the sniper. What is green, 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 red, green, green on a monthly chart, on any chart? I'll wait. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. No. All right, correct. Jan, first one, Jan. Impressive again. Brian, as always a rock. Metal Mine, correct. That's it. 3 people out of 53. 0 buy stop, not a buy, sir. Kevin. What's up, Stealth? Good morning. Kelly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That isn't going to work. Okay. There's 7 of you that censor. Thank you all for doing that. There's 46 of you who did not. If I don't get a little tad bit better response rate than that, I'm going to not even finish doing my call outs. I'm going to call it a morning, and you guys can have a great, great, great week. Good morning, Adam. This is monthly Bitcoin. I'm trying to drive a point home to you. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Dr. Perry. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Tony. Okay. A little better. I swear. Keith, I'm going to get with you when you're done all this coding, which will probably be a couple months from now, right? When you're done with all the coding I want, we're figuring out a way to get a shell on this and give a fuck if we'll have to come in through another website. We're going to get something where I can see who's not participating. And when I see who's not participating, I'll be blocking them from the site. I can tell you, I'm going to do the same thing with all control entrance, even if we have to have our own website to go through. I'll find out, because I am so sick of this shit. It's going on 2 years on TikTok, a year and a half on YouTube. Fucking 50, 60 people watching, 5 people respond. Oh, those days are going to come to a screeching halt. If I have to pay billion coders to do it, we'll figure out a way around that. I'm done with it. I'm so sick of this. I'm sitting here giving of my time when I don't need to be here. No, that shit ain't happening. You guys can get out of your lazy asses and respond. Wow. Thank you, those that did respond. Zoom, I mean, I can try to do Zoom. Sometimes we have like 150, 170. I know they handle big meetings. I know. That's a good chance. Thank you. Good morning, Jason. What's up, Jason, sir? Jake, have a good weekend, my brother. All right, there's enough of you to respond. I think we got up around 20. Look, that's a buy stop. There's your safety trade. See that little hook right here? This is your triple top M. It goes down, down, came back up. That's your safety trade. Then it formed a little W right here. That second part of your W right here, that is your entrance. You'd enter off of here. There you are in the money on Bitcoin. So that's it. So Bitcoin was a very easy call. And when I call it out, I used to draw it out. That's it. Wow. Thank you, Annie. Good, Jason. I'm glad you're doing well, sir. All right, let's get back to here. Bitcoin. 1 minute. So, 5 minutes. Nothing yet. Forming a 5 minute buy. 5 minute buy. Bitcoin. 15 minute, 1 hour sell, fill in the gap, 1 hour. 4 hour. Daily. Daily buy Bitcoin. You want to be clear? So after this fall, it'll be a daily buy Bitcoin. Weekly, I gotta call it. All it's going to do, Bitcoin's going to come down to here, come close to its yellow and red line, and it's shoot back up again. That's what Bitcoin's going to do. Weekly sell, monthly buy. Hope I'm clear. Buy. GBB, JPY. What's up, Adam? There's a question that's asked. Please answer. You're not able to let everyone know. I don't know what that means, Adam, but hopefully that helps you. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. GBB, JPY. 5 minute. Do. Forming a 5 minute sell stop. GBB, JPY. Do. 15 minute. 30 minute. 1 hour. So 1 hour, 4 hours. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. GBJ is going to fall a little further, hook and come back up. USD, CHF is the opposite of EUR, USD. If anyone really understood the power of what I say in that sentence, your hitting philosophy would change. But it doesn't, and no one does, so whatever. Ricochet, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. EUR, USD. EU. 1 minute sell. 5 minute buy. 5 minute, 15 minute buy. 1 hour, 4 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, a 4 hour blue line, EUR, USD. Daily sell stop, daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, EUR, USD. Gold. Gold and them darn hills. 1 minute. Jack is too late. It's already a buy. 5 minute. And I'm going to go over gold because it was a little confusing to someone that I know personally. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line, but it's pretty much already there. Yeah. So that's that. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Gold. Forming a daily buy stop again. Matter of factly, I rode this one up. And then I got tapped out. And then we might get back into this one again. We'll see. How beautiful. All right, so let's go over gold. And oh, hold on. SPX. Let's go to our one line. It's all that matters. SPX high. NAS. Is that right? Those are exactly the same? Yeah, they are. Good. Oh boy, we might be getting a signal. US 30. Yes, so we're all three. We're going to be looking for buy stops today, which is a little, obviously a little late on the trade if you didn't take this. And I did not take this, by the way, just so we're clear. I'm not in this trade. I don't know why. Not in this account anyways. Yeah, it's reloading. It's going to come down a little further, reload, and hook for a 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop later today. All right, let's go ahead and go again. SPX 1 minute. Nothing. 5 minute. Look to see a green. I would be looking for any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stops you can find. Even 30-minute buy stops for SPX and NAS. 1 minute NAS. Gonna be, yeah, I just think we're on that 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Towards it anyways. We just are. But it's still going to form it. I would only play, you guys play what you want. I will be looking for buy stops on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, any of those I'd be looking for. It's going to do a 1 to the blue line now, though, towards it anyway. US 30 broke last. What easy trades. We had a problem because our code can only see so many. So these easy buy stop signals still can't be there because we have very specific rules for you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is, though. Wow. I'll go over that. Let me get rid of this. Hold on. All right. Let me write this out. So I'm going to, this is an unofficial. I'm sticking with what I said about those 15-minute, 1-hour businesses. That's what's going to happen. 1 minute sell stop towards blue line. That's all three of them. But blue. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. But that's not going to happen anytime soon. I would just strictly play the 1 minute. Anytime you see a 1 minute, 5 minute, or buy stop, play it. That's as easy as I can make it. Play it for US 30 NAS and SPX. Should have did it overnight. You'd already be done with the trade. A new chime card. I don't know what that is, and sure we can ask. Good morning, Kamala. Good morning, Bob Ooten. What's up, Bob? All right, now let's go over to Trading View, which I didn't get to yesterday. But we sure as hell will today. You know what, though? I always like doing it manually. Fuck. It goes too low down. I don't know how to get it from the bottom. View charts. As much as people like to say they're different, they're not. And all it is for whining people to not have the system. Is Trading View isn't the same as MetaTrader 4. Yes, they are. Matter of fact, you can get your charts to look like this through MetalMind and several other people in our Discord. I can't thank MetalMind enough. That's a standing O, and I am standing, and that is a clapping for making the charts look as good as they do. Yeah, we don't ask about individual things like that, Zara, on the live, so please don't bring it up. What's up, Mike Snyder? Yes, Zara, you should tell your story again. I wish I had my thing. I can put you back on. All right. Let's take a look. Here we go. This is how superior you're looking at whatever it is. Now, This is what you call NAS. Nazarone. But you know what I want to do actually? Hold on. Before I get to our individuals, I want to go to gold. Now I want us to see what we can see. The glorious sheen. The glorious buy stop to the blue line. Boom, first time sell stop down. Okay, let's take a look at gold so you guys can have a good little laugh. All right. We're going to look at gold just a little bit days ago on itself. This is gold, 15-minute up here. Gold, 15-minute here, 1 hour down here. Chart should always be set up 15-minute, 1 hour, or technically 1 hour, 4 hour if you want. Harder for me to explain that on the live though. Yep, Metal Mind on the Discord is awesome. Correct. Grim, the man, that is correct. Same person. All right. So watch. First thing we look for is when the blue line first dips down. Matter of fact, me and Mike caught this trade, my brother and I. Blue line, we were just horsing around the other day. I said, Mike, this is how you do it. You just look for the blue line and happen to be gold. Matter of factly, one of our members, called this out for us too while it was happening live. So it's very easy to see these 1 hour. The pink line arched up, forming an M, mind you. Okay, right there. So that's the first two things you have to have. If you don't have this, you can't go forward. It's in our rules. I'll go over those in a minute. Okay. Then I'm teaching you exactly how to trade. Some of you might want to record this. It is an omnipotent system, Metal Mind. Zero. Safe system, and the Gregos put a roof over my head. And kept my butt warm for months now. Got really sick 2 months ago and was still able to stay in the green even though I was down and out. Oh, I'm so glad you're back and you're doing better, Zira. Hopefully you're doing all better health-wise. Japan says I'm recording. Okay. So this is the first thing you look for on any trade. Make sure the 1 hour blue line goes the opposite of whatever it was. If it goes high, it goes down low. Make sure the pink comes up and the blue doesn't come with it. Oh, yeah, Zara's story, Kevin's story is amazing. Amazing. He was homeless, and by using the system, he is now no longer homeless. So, again, they make your excuses look like you don't have any excuses. I have a cough too, but I'm getting over. You want to know what helped mine? I really can't say on TV because people are going to get mad at me. But at any rate, I personally did a 1 day, but a 1 day dry fast with no food or water. And then I fasted another 8 days with water and just some minerals, the Redmond real salt. And that helped my cough out almost 99, 98%. I got a nice place. Actually, yay! That's awesome, Zira. Honestly, me and Bree couldn't be prouder of you and happier for you. All right. Now, the third thing you have to have for the trade is the blue line needs to arc it. I was able to pay my rent trading for half hour. That's awesome. Please understand that we're all trading and also trying to respond to the questions. Joseph, I got you. But when there's 6, hell, sometimes there's 140 of you, and then there's only 10 people responding. No, that's just a strong no. Absolutely 100% a no. Not for me anyway. You guys can, whatever, I ain't dealing with that shit. Yeah, isn't that great, Keith? But I could trade. See, couldn't get to work obviously, but he could still trade. Zero, I'm so proud of you, so happy for you. It's amazing. And then is there a sell stop? So let's go over those steps. Sorry, Zero, just on a very strict time limit this morning. I'm going to be out of here in about 15, 20 minutes. Blue, doop. Pink line up. Doop. Blue line comes with it. Doop, doop. 4. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Zoop. Thank you, Zero. We need to do all that and put it in the Discord for people buying. So that was your sell stop. Me and Mike actually played this one. We got out way too early. But that's it. That is it. Step 1, step 2, step 3, 4. There's other things you can look for. I always put it at the highest time frame, whatever that entrance is. In this case, it didn't go over the yellow line, right? It was underneath, and on the 1 hour I couldn't enter. So you'd enter off the red yellow line here. Look at this, just gorgeous. Perfection in trading. 15-minute lines on top. You could have seen this coming from 10 miles away. And that's gold. Now gold is then transitioning. Watch what it does. It went from low to high here. It's going to go from high to low here. Now it's going to go from low to high. The opposite occurs. 2, first time the pink line. Where's our 3 at, though? We didn't have the blue line dip. It'll be a blue line dip on 5-minute, but it's not here, but there is a buy stop. So this technically trade, but once you get good with things, you can realize if I go down to the 5-minute right here, hey, Keith taught something. Watch. Keith taught me how to not draw a trend line, that I can draw a vertical line. Watch. I'm so excited. Ha, Keith, I'm dumb and slow, but I got it. Ha ha. Looky there. He taught me that. Okay, so if we go from here, let's keep, I hope this blue line stays. Keith, does blue line stay? Let's go to 5 minutes. And there it is, as I said. So there it goes. So now you have your blue line dip, right, against the non-blue line. Now you have it. Get your head. Got to head out, guys. Make some money. You too, Ray. Thank you for being here. Enjoy your weekend, sir, Raider Trader. Let me say this. Kevin Grego, the absolute sweetest lady in the world, Miss Bree. Mrs. Bree, but yeah, I got you. We'll put you on top. They work super hard to get everyone taught properly, and it's got to be the most stressful. They both have the biggest hearts in the world. Well, Bree does. You ever see the Grinch with his tiny little heart, and he's mean and grumpy, but deep down he actually does care? More like that to you guys. Now with Bree, shit, I'm the biggest baby in the world. Good morning, Tanny. They removed the R. Mrs. Kev. Yeah, Bree is my wife. That's all. No big deal. Well, it is a big deal. It's a huge deal. Best thing ever to happen is her being in my life. Man, I can't quit playing around. I got a huge heart. Nope. Can't tell anybody that. Metal money. Got to keep that gruff exterior. Got to keep the meanness. I got to drop. That's good. What's up, Keith? Thank you, sir. I look forward to talking with you, Keith. Try to get some rest. Maybe take a little nap. A little siesta. A little siesta for Keith. Thank you, Keith, for everything. Everyone should thank you. Thanks for teaching me that vertical line shit. Look. Boom. 1 hour. There's your 5-minute. To the blue line, I might add. And there you go. So I'm teaching you how to read your charts. Always go off the 1 hour and see what you see and what you can find. Always. And then gold is no different. I don't even know how I funny, Kevin. Thanks, Kevin. With a big can of whip up next to Keith, be safe driving around. I bet you still have some snow up there. Silly old Keith. All right. So that's how you trade in a nutshell. I'm going to go into a little detail, then you guys can do whatever you want to do. Here we go. We go. Red fish, up, up, up. All right. What you do is you head over. Stern below. Now that is true, sir. I like that. You head over to thesafetytrade.com. Thesafetytrade.com is where you buy the system for the emails. I don't care. Buy the system for $575 a year. Okay. Best $575 you can spend, and this is this email. This is the web page you go to. It's the only web page you can buy it at this point in time. Coach education, training, and knowledge you give is very much appreciated. You're welcome, Larry. Safetytrade.com. All right. After you buy it, like if you bought it today, you can literally be trained up on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the normal training. Unless there's some kind of major holiday or I'm traveling or something, it's always Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll be in a small group. I mean, it could be like 8 people, 10 people. We've had as many as like 122 at one time. All depends how many people are coming through and ready for their training. But it's a small group, and it is led live by me. So you buy the system today for $575. If you get everything done, just a couple things you need to get done, and I'll show what those are. You will then have what? You'll have a small group training led live by me. It's not video based. I'm teaching you. If you already have it for yourself, again, I would strongly recommend, if you have the resources to do so, buy it for a friend. Maybe your best friend going up can use a little extra money. I know lots of people are looking for side hustles. Zira just gave his testimony. He was homeless. He no longer is. He couldn't get into work, but he can still trade. And he paid his rent from inside his own place, which is a miracle. And he paid his rent using the safety trade system. There's a lot of people hurting. You couldn't get in a car if you were in Zira's sickness, right? You couldn't get in anything. You couldn't do anything. But because the system, you can trade for your home. We're going to Vegas. We're going to be there for 3 months. You can trade from Vegas. We traded from Orlando. We traded from New York City. We traded from, I don't know, everywhere last year. Pretty soon we'll be heading out to Italy. We want to go to Italy, Greece, the Maldives. So we'll probably be doing that either the remainder of this year coming up, but you can trade from anywhere. I shouldn't get into all that, but yeah. So we'll be trading from anywhere in the world at all times. So, and another good thing about this particular, I'm going to speak on it in a moment, is you buy the system and you teach people the system, but you don't even need to buy it. Just teach people the system is how you're going to master it. You can learn it by watching your recordings. Remember, you record every session. But in order to master it, you're going to need to teach it to someone, because you'll see your own flaws when you do that. You have your rules on that, Joseph? That's 75. Thank you, Kevin. You know, Kev, I saw a guy who retired from who said soy and Naz, and just had no rhyme or reason and couldn't be predicted, so he didn't play it. I was so laughing. So yeah, no, that's everybody. Zero, isn't that funny? Thank you, Japan. Yeah, there's a lot of people, and I was one of them, who can trade profit on indices regularly, because I haven't seen. Yeah, tell them to watch the channel. Tell them to go back and watch the 1,000 videos where I have 400 up, 400 YouTube videos, and see if I've been trading the indices profitable every day for the last year and a half. Buy stop on NAS coming 1 minute. Thank you, Leon. Zero, you should have said, I know a friend of a friend. And you can say, come watch the channel. Because you'll never convince anybody that these indicators see the future with 100% accuracy. The only error is human error. You'll never convince anybody of that. You just have to let them watch the show every day. Period. Right, and you know a bunch because all the people that are in the safety trade system does it. So funny. See, the old way of trading is so outdated, it's embarrassing. Eventually, you'll see this, if left alone, you'll see the safety trade system taught in trading courses across the world. They're going to ridicule, just like every truth, they're going to ridicule it, make fun of it, get super angry with it, and then they're going to accept the system as truth. Yep, no longer fear of the news. Make your news your female dog. And then that way you can kind of earn money off the news when they make the wrong move, when they pull it down when it should have went up. Just do it, buy stuff. How many times you see me kick CPI's ass live? On US 30. Do it, Zira. Have fun. No, we can't make money with system. I'm not a financial advisor. All you can do is use demo money. Demo money. Unlimited times as you can. Yeah. It's just funny to me. The traders, and I have financial advisors use the system. Oh my gosh. At one time we were up over a dozen. I have no idea what it is now. So the open-minded financial advisors, they'll accept the system. The ones that are closed-minded, hanging on to the fact, trying to hang on to the fact of like the old outdated support and resistance and trend line and volume and V, look to the left and ascending, descending wedges and naming of candles and naming of candle patterns. All the bullshit only works 1% of the time for traders. 99% of the time it fails. It only works at best 64% of the time for professional traders, and they consider it working when they get 10 pips in a day. So I'm going to go ahead and say that shit. The fact that it works barely over half the time is bullshit, even with professional traders. So they just can't let go of it. So the people who have a real hard time with my system learning it are the old dogs that thought they knew how to trade and they want to combine my system with another system. Never works. My system is a standalone system. Period. Oh, we have guys 40 years. We have a guy that's 39 years that was on the floor of the German stock exchange as a runner. I have guys sitting on Wall Street now that use my system. So yeah, no, it's spreading. They can only deny it so long, and then eventually they'll be like, oh, yeah. Does anybody want to come on here? And I'll go blindly show them without, we'll cover up the future. We'll cover it up. And they want to try to tell me that my system doesn't work. I've had that open line for the last year and a half on YouTube, 2 years on TikTok. Come on, him or anyone else or any of his followers, and tell me that my system does not work. I've never had one person call in doing that. I've had, I don't know, what are we up to, 20 or 30 people call in telling me how successful things are or asking questions. Sure. But if you think you can debate me and show me how my system doesn't work, good fucking luck. Let's have that debate on national TV while we're at it. Oh, the system doesn't work. I'll take any 15-minute, 1 hour following my rules on NAS and SPX and US 30. I'll be 100% accurate at all times. If I follow the 1 hour, 15-minute rules, 100% accurate on any symbol at any given time. Not only that, when I'm done with the Holy Grail trade that never misses unless God wants it to, when that trade's finalized, you know, the rest is history. It's not finalized when it's coded. The trade's already finalized. We just have to get it into code, that's all. Yep. Totally works. Thank you, Mine and Zero. Correct. All right. So you buy the system, right? Then you fill out everything. You have your training Mondays at what time? 1:30 p.m. Naz in the money. Poor Joseph's trying to make money here. I'm sure Joe is right. Let's take a look at Naz real quick for him. Let's see. There it is. You're in the money. Correctamundo. There you go. There she blows. And by the way, Joe, probably how this is going to play out here is you're going to see this occur. You're going to see go come over, come up. It's going to come back down again, and then it's going to hook up like that. Maybe not that severe, but that's what you're going to see. And obviously, hopefully, a little better done than that. So it usually does this break early, then it dips down, and then it does its break here, forming another. Now, this is why I'm hesitant with that. We already had your buy stop once. This is the second time. Will it do it the third here? I don't know. Thank you, Joseph, for trying to keep me focused, but that's not going to work. All right. So after that, here are the exact rules on how to trade. It cracks me up. People say, well, you keep secrets and you don't show us. I haven't had that lately. I used to have it, but not anymore, really. All right. All we trade is our logo. What is our logo? It is either the green up arrow, which we're looking for today based on the 1 hours, or the red down arrows. When you buy the signal system or any of the products, right, you'll get this set of rules. So follow along. This is what it's going to be. Because you never know. This is talking about our signal service. Yes, we have a signal service. Let me make sure that's logging in. That has been right now 5 out of 5 times. 4 times last week, 1 time this week. And it hasn't called any buys out because they have not been a consistent buy to be able to call. In the future, I'll be doing a manual signal for you guys. But I can't. I'm too busy doing other things. Wow. Can you say slow? What the fuck? Okay. Damn, I was about to ditch the whole thing. All right. Because you never know when Safe Trade Signal AI will see a trade. Make sure you have your email. Now, currently, when you get your email, that is the alert. Can't believe I have to say that, but it is. How often will it happen? 0 times a week, 1 time a week, or last week was 4 times a week? You never know. Please note, we are going to be switching from an email alert to a Discord alert system. Maybe even by the end of next week. Definitely, I would think in 2 weeks. Here's an example of your alert. Once you get it, and this is the part that's shared with everybody, you need to verify it. What's up, Shocking Life? Good morning, Shocking Life. Once you receive your alert, you must verify the trade. How do you do it? 2 steps. Step 1, go to the 1 hour. Do what I just did. Did the 1 hour go from low to high? Yes. The first time is the best time. Did pink go to the bottom? Yes. So we're good. Then you make sure that we have a logo. How do you make sure you read the rules? That's how. You can change your candles. If those 2 things are met, you go to step 2. Step 2 is the 15-minute. If it's a buy signal, you go over to step 2. Make sure this is occurring right here. You're in the money, literally happening before your very eyes. So you can't say the system doesn't work when it's literally happening now. What do I mean? The blue line pulled down against it. There's a buy stop. There's your money on NAS. By the way, for the record, just so I think you'll see that fall right after this rise. What are my favorites? 15-minute buy stops, just for the record this morning. So there's your NAVs. How do you find that? If there is a 15-minute logo, find the logo, which there is. Again, so many of you forget this stuff. I expect you all to draw it out these days, but whatever. Here it is right here. The logo means this. Started underneath, told to come up, retraced right here, retraced right there. Okay, I got a really good drawing while I'm on the treadmill. And okay, and it tells you exactly what you need. If both of those steps are done, then you do your entrances, your take profits, letting them run, all of it, putting your stop loss in, and I give you a video on how to do that. Next, you made a wrong trade. Miss Frida was so sweet. Last week, first day we went live with the signals, she made a wrong entry and still made money. But this is the best training video you ever have. It says first ever signal, and it's a winner, Frida. So if you type in the safety trade Frida, F-R-I-D-A, you'll come to this video on YouTube. Best training video in the history I've ever done. I've done over 1,000 videos. There it is. Do's and don'ts. What to do, what not to do. You should have only picked one out of the three. That would have been US 30. US 30 went down over 200 pips on the last. You'd have made all kinds of money. Trading rules. Boom. Most important rule, always do good with your profits. Trading rules for beginners. Exactly how I trade in a day. Get up, thank God. Do all my physical stuff, which I'm going to do right after this. Look at the H&H Blue Line Scanner. Look at the rules, and you guys need to print these rules over and over again. And then, of course, the legal disclaimer. And that's it. So let's take a look at the anatomy of a trade. Dun, 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 dun. Right here, 15-minute. Right over here is your 1 hour. Just, I don't know how else to describe it than beyond easy. I don't like this trade. It's a little too far away on the 15-minute. I hope this rides up and keeps going up for everybody in the trade. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if this pulls all the way back down to where? Down the yellow line right here. I just think it needs to. This is a hard up, though, where it's going up hard. So it might not. I don't know. All right. Anybody have any questions? Thank God. Congratulations, Joe Tamburino. Does anybody have any questions for me before I run? Y'all have a great weekend. If I don't talk to you later, I'll wait around for a minute here. Please rate today's training and that you just had on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being the best. If it's anything underneath 10, I need a reason so I can improve. You're welcome, Jason. Thank you, Jason. Another person who's come a long way. Very proud of Jason McCann. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Again, I don't know if I'll be back on today. Probably, but for a short period of time, just to touch base. Gets ready, and that'll probably be it for today. All right. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend if I don't talk to you again. Done.